Hey guys, how are you? I'm back with another episode, another video, and another strategy. I'm really nice to see you in my channel. It's Bunny Trader, and I'm here to share you one of the best strategy. So let's go in this strategy. Just for first, we need to change the candlestick to Heikin-Ashi candlestick. This is very good for this strategy. And next we need to MACD, go to setting, input, fast length 48, slow length 104, source close, and signal smoothing 36, and OK. And next you need to this indicator RSI Heikin-Ashi length 40, open smoothing 1, and go to the style, OB extreme change it to 30, and OB 20, OS 20, and OS extreme 30, and OK. Okay, so how can you use this strategy? When the color of histogram of this MACD, of this MACD is green, you just need to find a line trade. For example, here the histogram changed red to green, and next we just need to find a line signal. And how can you find a signal? When the RSI of this indicator near the red line or under the red line, and the Heikin-Ashi here, and the Heikin-Ashi change to green. In this candle, Heikin-Ashi changed to green, and this candle changed to green. And next you start your position and open it here. Look, in this candle and this candle, in this candle and this candle, you start your trade, and risk reward ratio 2. This is a stop loss last near the swing, near the last swing, and risk reward ratio 2. This is just for line trade. When the histogram of this MACD is green and the Heikin-Ashi change to green, you just start line trade. So let me check again. And here, looking here, we don't have any signal for open the position short. You don't have any signal because the MACD is green, and you just have to find the line trade. Don't forget that. And here the RSI is touch the red line, and Heikin-Ashi changed to green, and here in this candle Heikin-Ashi changed to green. So we start the long position where here, and stop loss under the swing, and risk reward ratio 2. You can use this strategy in EUR USD and XAU USD, GBP USD, JPY USD, and all of the stock and currency. And you can in H1 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. just don't forget that risk reward ratio 2. So let me check. I have two signal here and here, 2%, 2%, 4% in a day. For example, here you can find another thing, for example, divergence or something between this low and this low, this low and this higher low. You have a divergence, and the Heikin change to green, Heikin change to green, and you can start long position here because the MACD is green, and this is also a best signal for risk reward ratio 2. And here you just start the next signal, but first look at the MACD. In this candle your signal line is out of the green history of MACD. It's better you don't have any position here. You don't open any position here. It's better. But if you open the position here, you can maybe stop. And here, the history of this MACD is red, and you just need to find a short signal. For example, here RSI, check the blue, touch the blue line, the histogram is red, and the Heikin color is change, and you can start your short trade here. Stop loss above the swing, and risk reward ratio 2. Here your target. And the next time you have a signal here, RSI touch the blue line, and Heikin change to red, and start a short signal here. Stop loss above the candlestick and swing, and risk reward ratio 2 here. Just in the red histogram you need to find a short signal, and in the green histogram you just need to find a line signal. You just need to practice. You just need to practice and practice and practice. And I will back with backtest in 100 trade, and let me check, and I will share you the backtest, risk reward ratio, and win rate. So just practice this strategy, and if this strategy good for you, just tell me in the comment. If you use this strategy, just tell me in the comment. If it's good for you, don't forget to like and subscribe me. See you tomorrow for backtest of this strategy for 100 trade.